10 time saving tips for Microsoft Teams. Use Ctrl+E to jump to the search bar quickly. Press Ctrl+Shift+M to unmute yourself during calls. Use Ctrl+Shift+O to toggle your video on, off. Schedule a meeting directly from a chat using the calendar feature. Use @mentions to get someone's attention in a message or comment. Pin important chats or channels for easy access. Use the command box to search for files, people, and commands. Enable Do Not Disturb mode to focus on important tasks. Use background effects to blur or change your video call background. Download and organize meeting recordings in the Files section.